He has rights just as much as you have rights.
Why? Where did he even come from? He popped out of nowhere. Where the f did he even come from? Like.
Can you ask him not to put footage of my son?
Yeah, I can't prevent him from what he does on
Who can?
Huh?
Who can?
Anything else I could do for this today?
No. But the caveman thing? Okay.
Gotcha,
girl.
You could ask him. Go ask him.
Oh, he won't tell me.
Oh.
He said
It's First Amendment.
he said, yeah, it's his First Amendment right. He can record me, he doesn't have to tell me his name.
Good, sir. How are you?
Perfectly fine.
How you doing, ma'am? Are you injured or anything?
I'm not. This guy is freaking me out. And that's what I called you guys for. I know how accidents work. I work for an insurance company. We were going here. I didn't realize that he had stopped because my young son's in the car. I kind of like looked over for a second. Bam!
All right. Let me check on him real quick.
Go,
and then
yeah,
if your car's operable, let's just
is.
pull in here so we don't block.
I just want this guy gone. He's going into my son's window and he's videoing my young son. I don't feel comfortable.
How you doing? I'm sorry, man.
Go home.
Are you all right? You injured or anything? Are you injured? No. Okay. If your car's operable, let's just pull in here so we could open up this lane.
Do you know this guy?
Yes, sir.
Do you know this guy?
Not on a personal basis. He's a nice guy. His hobby is recording.
What? Going up and recording people's children? That's really creepy.
All right, let me pull in here.
Looks like you lost some weight. You doing good?
Yes, sir. How about yourself? Do you guys have your license, registration, proof of insurance, please? Yeah. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna pull this out here. Okay. Is this the insurance card?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give this back to you. Thank you, sir. Address up to date?
I'm sorry?
Oh, is your address up to date? You're still on Street?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to find my insurance card with this guy. I'm very uncomfortable. Like I'm literally shaking, not even from the accident, but from him. He literally, say this was my car, he's literally like this to my son. He's only 7. He's like, it's not against the law. I'm like, it's not, I'm not saying it's not against the law. I'm saying it's creepy. He's like, well, what about when your son's at a base? What about, at the field? I said, I record my children at the field. I don't record other people's children. Okay, let me find my insurance card. I don't have it.
Still on drive?
Yeah. It's in my phone because I just screenshotted it from my email. But I know how, he just does my insurance, calls and reports it. I just wanted you here because of him.
Okay.
Also gotta go back to July.
What insurance company are you with?
Direct.
Direct.
Yeah. Alright, I might take just a minute. I don't want to be back so far. Let me try to pull it up through my emails because I got it in July right before, I got a new policy right before we went on vacation, but I don't see it on there.
Let me know when you find it. Alright, let me see the damage on your vehicle, sir.
Back here.
Back here. This is new damage.
You just had to change lane. I believe.
You were in the which lane? The center lane?
We were in the right lane. Not the turn lane, but the right straight lane.
Right. Okay, so that middle one,
Yeah, like where this black Tesla is. Yeah.
and then you went around.
Yeah, this was already here. This
Yeah,
is from
look.
another. Yeah, it's so I looked at him because he's throwing up. Not
Yeah.
right now, but I looked to see if he was okay, and like that quickly because the light was green. We were starting to go, so I just eased off the brake, and then I looked over, and then by the time I looked back, he was stopped, and so I went to like
stop.
No, but your brake lights were on.
Well, I mean, slow down.
Yeah,
not
no,
stop.
I didn't mean stop. I just meant his brake lights
Yeah,
were
yeah.
on. And so I went to like swerve around, and that's how that side hit that side.
Yeah, the light was red.
There's my policy number. It went in effect July something.
Do you have anything that says the effective date
Oh,
on here?
yeah. Right there, July 13th.
July 13. Policy number. You guys aren't injured or anything? No. Okay. You guys want an actual crash report, or you just want to change information?
Yeah, we can just change information. I'm not
Okay.
denying it.
All
I
right.
wanted someone here because he started to walk up to his window, and I didn't know what he was doing.
All right, I just got to verify that both parties have a valid license and valid insurance, and then I'll get you guys out of here. Do you have your registration card on you?
So you're not going to make police look out of it?
It's just a driver exchange. All you got to do is call your insurance company, provide them with her insurance information, and they'll get the claim started.
You just called in.
That's why I wanted to
Yeah,
call.
I'll
My
give you-
fiance is okay with that.
I'll give you the form. The form will have all her information on it.
That's probably okay. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
But then, these people make a big deal out of it.
Okay. All right, guys, give me about 10, 15 minutes. I'll get this paperwork started, and I'll get you guys out of here. All right, so here's your driver license, insurance card, registration, your driver license, registration. This is the driver exchange form. She's under vehicle 1. She has valid insurance and a valid license, and then she's going to be under driver 1, and then your information is on there as well. So you would just contact your insurance company, provide them with her insurance information, and they'll get the claim started. All right. Any questions?
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
Who is he? Like, I'm
He's a YouTuber.
okay, but before you got here, he was up on my car. Now, ever since you've gotten there, he hasn't walked past your cruiser. That's, I mean, would you be okay with somebody recording your children? I mean, it's.
Yeah, no, I get where you're coming from.
I mean, he literally walked, if you watch his video, he literally walked right up to his window and was filming in. Ever since you've gotten here, he hasn't walked past your cruiser. And that's why I work for Progressive, so I know how insurance, and I even told him before you got here, remember I said I give you my information, you call, you make the claim. I already told him all that, like we don't need to call the police. The only reason I called you was because of him. I don't, what is he doing with that footage? Like,
That's for his YouTube channel, I believe.
what is it called? He wouldn't tell me any of that.
Caveman something, I can't remember. Something caveman.
Like,
I can't remember off the top of my head.
I wouldn't even care.
Captain Caveman? I'm not sure.
If it was just me, I wouldn't even care. But because he was like, show me my son.
Alright.
Can you ask him not to put footage of my son?
I can't prevent him from what he does on
Who can?
Huh?
Who can?
I'm not sure. You gotta contact
I
probably
mean, even my
YouTubers.
7-year-old was like, why was that guy filming me? What is he going to do with that? And I'm like, I don't know. Let me ask the officer when he comes back out. He stayed a good distance. Now he's over there. Ever since you arrived. When you didn't arrive, he was not over there. He was right at my window in my car. He saw it, yeah. Because I thought he was with him. And I said, oh, is he filming for you? And he goes, no, I don't know him.
Alright, guys. Is there anything else I could do for you guys today?
No. But the caveman thing? Okay. Gotcha, bro.
You could ask him. Go ask him.
Oh, he won't tell me.
Oh.
He said
That's
I.
First
He
Amendment.
said yeah, it's his First Amendment right. He can record me. He doesn't have to tell me his name.
They also
you
did
want-
you
just want his-
Tell me your
but
YouTube
you know,
channel.
necessary has to leave up to
What's
They
it?
normally do. I've got his body camera. Everything that you said is going to be on the internet.
I didn't say anything
All right, guys, have a better day.
I didn't even